In this video, I'll show you how to get Robux with a Visa gift card on mobile the right way so you don't run into payment problems while you're trying to buy Robux. First, it's important to understand that Roblox doesn't let you redeem a Visa gift card inside the Roblox mobile app. You'll need to use it more like a regular credit or debit card at checkout on a browser or through your account's payment settings on mobile. To start, make sure your Visa gift card is activated, has enough balance for the Robux purchase you want, and that you've registered the card and set up a billing address with the card issuer. This helps prevent declines when Roblox checks your payment. Then open your mobile browser, go to roblox.com, and log into the account you want to buy Robux for. From there, head to the Buy Robux page, choose the amount of Robux you want, and when you get to the payment screen, select Credit or Debit Card as your payment method. Enter the Visa gift card number, expiration date, CVV, and billing address exactly as registered, then confirm the purchase. If for some reason the Visa gift card gets declined on Roblox mobile experience, another solid method is to go to the roblox.com/redeem page and use the card to buy a Roblox gift card or add credit that you then convert into Robux, because Roblox gift cards can be redeemed in a browser and then used to get Robux or credit in your Roblox account. And since you're entering card details and making purchases online, it's smart to keep your connection secure. Consider NordVPN for extra protection, and there's a link in the description where you can try it risk-free for a great price.